Hi folks, I'm looking at making a tripod mount for my iPad so I can do these videos a bit better. So first thing is to make a template. So what I've got is an iPad case to mark out where the template needs holes. So what I'll first do is draw around the iPad case to give me the size of the iPad. Mark where the openings are. Just mark on it which bits are going to be cut out with hatches, so you know which bits to waste. So that leaves you with the tabs that you need to create out of whatever material you choose. I'll probably choose copper. You can use old drain pipe or any metal you've got lying around, as long as you put foam around the metal so it doesn't damage your iPad. Okay, so cut all the hatchings out. I've actually started to cut out, and I think I'm just going to square this corner off so it makes it easier for cutting whatever material. There you go, one template. Right, so found a piece of copper, piece of old guttering, and I flattened it out. I'm going to put my template on. First thing to do, I think, we can either use tin snips or a grinder. I'm going to drill 2 holes first. I am going to make it a bit more nicer than straight edges, so I'm going to drill 2 holes here and here and join the holes up so that we've got curves. Right, here goes. There, 2 holes done. So now I'm going to line this up. Just mark out where the ends are. You could just stick this on and do it that way. On some of them, so we can just a nice curve in there like this, a nice slope into the hole we've pre-cut. Same on this side. Just a bit of grinding. You could cut them with tin. And I like to finish off with just a bit of a file around. That's all cut out. Next, mark the bends out. So, just do a mark. Right, give you the belt. And there you have it. First part done. Tune in next time and I'll be putting a stand on the back and sorting out how to fasten it to the tripod, and I'll also be foam padding it. So don't forget to subscribe and watch this thing finished off, and hopefully I'll get best quality videos. Thanks.